Hello and welcome to another episode of Animal Guests. I am America.
And I'm Rudy, the new and improved Rudy. Well, you might be thinking, I look a lot like my sister that was on this TV show. But here's the story. I went to the North Pole to, go help out for a day since Santa was gone. And then, they said, here's a punishment for you staying here for the day. You have to have white fur and gray antlers. I'm like, oh my gosh!
Wow.
So yeah, that's what happened. And let's get started.
I have a question. Why would he punish you for helping?
I know.
Wow. I'm okay, even though my leg might be broken.
Okay, you know what? We haven't filmed a video in so long. Just stop it.
Whee! Okay, sorry. I'm just happy to be back. So, give a very warm welcome to our guests. I'm a pineapple.
I'm Tails.
Yeah, you've already been here before, Tails.
Yeah, I was their favorite guest.
No, you weren't. Okay, maybe you were.
Ow!
You hurt us more. You just landed on top of us. Well, very warm welcome to. Okay, Rudy's. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I don't know what just happened.
I have farts that smell like America.
Okay, no, stop. I smell good. You must have great farts. Okay, anyways. Well, how do I put this? Sorry for all of this. Oh, it's okay. Are you gonna say my name? Oh my. I was a wrestler. That's not true. How did you know? Because, okay, let's just get to it. Well, your name is Heartpaw, and that's a very weird name. No, that's just what they call me. My name isn't Heartpaw. My name is Heart. You see that heart? I love you all. I love all my sweet fans. I love you. I love you all.
You aren't like Kevin Hart.
I am Kevin Hart.
Really?
Yeah! Hey, camera. Well, I am Heart.
Oh yeah, guys, big announcement. We're actually going to be starting gaming.
We all know that. Wow, I landed it.
Well, we're going to be starting gaming pretty soon, so
We should make
stay
this a
tuned
normal
for
episode.
that. Okay, let's just make it a normal episode. It's all your fault.
It's not my fault.
Okay, let's get started.
It's my mom's fault. Okay, well, what's your talent? Yeah, what's your talent, actually? We want to know. Well, my talent is I can do handstands. I can be wonderful. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. What is... Oh. Did you... Are you a boy? That must have really hurt. Ow! Why aren't we scared?
That really hurt.
We already said, ow. Okay, We've already seen these guys like 11 times. No,
Wait, why are we screaming? Because you're here, you're ugly.
How dare you call my child ugly? Do you want to hear my song? It's okay.
Get away.
And they call you ugly.
I don't want to be embarrassed.
You're not embarrassing. You're beautiful. You just farted. That smells good. Wow, that smells really good. I got a puffball hat. Okay, well, we're here to take your show. We're here to take your show.
Dad, you're not here.
I'm gonna call my dad.
Guys.
I'm a giraffe. Okay, I'm not here.
Remember last time
You
when
remember
people
me?
tried to take over?
Okay.
Tried to take over our show.
No.
Guys, remember last time when people tried to take over our show? Yes, we watch your show all the time. It did not work.
Well, we're gonna stop you, whether or not you like it. Oh my God, Julia, stop! You can't abuse Tails.
My name is Tails, not Julia.
You're sorry. I got you mixed up with your mom. Okay. I met her before. Ooh, you can't abuse him like that.
Oh, it's fine. This happens all the time.
Only I can abuse him like that.
Okay, now let's carry him to the dead. So he's gone.
No. Are you?
Now it's just me and you, Grim.
He's back. Yay! No, I have a better
So,
punishment.
how are we gonna work this out?
Whee! That did not feel good. That felt bad. Oh, I landed it.
You guys are never gonna take me over.
Where'd you go? Why did your voice change?
I think they're gone.
Wait, I'm so confused.
Well, let's just end this episode.
Why did his voice change?
Let's just end this episode.
Guys, we love you all.
Wait, no.
Okay, I guess we don't love
Scoot
you
over.
all.
Yes, we do. Okay, guys.
Scoot.
America, come on, you have to be next to me.
Scoot.
Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching another episode of Animal Guess.
Woo!
And remember to subscribe and drop a big fat like. And turn on the notification bells for every time
We're not fat.
I
I like me not
the
being
like
fat.
button is fat.
I'm running. Don't
And
call me
always
fat.
remember, we post a video of Animal Guess, probably going to be daily now, but
Nope.
so remember,
Boosh.
I am always Rudy.
And I'm a giraffe.
Well, you are always America. So goodbye. Thank you for watching.
No.